Bird flies 7,500 miles nonstop, breaking world record. A bar-tailed godwit, or Limosa laponica, just flew for 11 days straight from Alaska to New Zealand. Traversing a distance of 7,500 miles without stopping, it is the longest nonstop flight among birds known to scientists. Bar-tailed godwits are big, noisy, and cinnamon-colored, according to the National Audubon Society. They are known to undertake impressive migrations between Alaska and New Zealand, flying thousands of miles without stopping. But one particular bird, driven by easterly winds that prolonged its journey, flew longer than any of its kind known to date. The scientists tracked this particular male godwit, known as 4BBRW for colored identification rings on its legs. In 2019, they caught and tagged 4BBRW along with 19 other bar-tailed godwits in the Firth of Flames, southeast Auckland. The Endurance flyer set off from southwest Alaska on September 16, after having spent a couple of months feeding in Alaska's mudflats. Through the godwits pack on weight during this time, they are known to strengthen internal organs for the migration in order to travel light. After leaving Alaska, the godwit flew south over the Aleutian Islands and landed in a bay near Auckland, in New Zealand 11 days later. His satellite clocked at 7,987 miles, or 12,854 kilometers. Previously, the longest nonstop flight recorded among birds was made by a female bar-tailed godwit that flew around 7,145 miles in 9 days.